World Beyond World by Teacher Woo Myung. This passage is called, Let Us Recover Our Original Nature. The origin of the world is the universe before and beyond the universe. It is from here that all things come, and it is the place to where everything returns. It is man's original nature, and it is the state of God. He who is reborn as this God has everlasting life, because he himself is God. He who recovers his original nature is born in heaven, and so the life he lives is one of freedom, liberation, and comfort. The time has come for all of us to recover our original nature and live following nature's flow. Nature's flow is unlimited heart. It is the greatest heart of all. Nature's flow carries out its deeds without any thought of having done so. It is a heart that lets all creations live, and a heart that resurrects. It allows mankind to live, and it sheds light on the whole of the universe. To live according to this flow is to live as one. He who has recovered his original nature lives life according to this flow. And even though such a life is one that is lived selflessly for others, it is his own life that is enriched. So let us all recover our original nature to help the whole of mankind live as truth.